So hi everyone. Just to let you know, this meeting is being recorded, which means uh, this is going to be like you have to follow the CNCF code of conduct, which essentially means just be nice to each other, which I'm sure all of you will be. Um, this is the SIG Talks new contributor meet and greet meeting, where we just go around and try to answer any questions which new contributors might have about the project or places where they're stuck. Before we do that, we usually just go around introducing ourselves. I can start first. I am Arsh and I work at a small company called Octeto. We provide cloud native dev environments. But other than that, I've been a contributor to the Kubernetes project for about 2 years now. And I am the new contributor ambassador for SIG Talks. So if you are getting started and if you have any questions, or if you don't know who to reach out to for your questions, please feel free to DM me on Slack @ARSH, just my name. I'll pass the mic to Sriram, who has been a regular attendee for 3-4 of these meetings now, to introduce himself.
Yeah. Hey everyone. My name is Sriram. I
I
work at a
can't hear
company
you. I
called
don't know
Big
if
Bang.
it's time me or same. Could you say something? I think it was me, my earphones.
Uh,
Yep, can hear you.
Yep. Hey everyone. My name is Sriram. I work at a company called Big Binary, and I've been part of the Kubernetes open source community for some time now, and I've been, as Ash mentioned, I've been joining the last 3-4 of these meetings, and yeah, happy to be part of that forum.
Ankur, would you like to introduce yourself now?
Yes. Hi everyone, my name is Ankur and I am currently a undergraduate student which is pursuing my third year, and I recently learned about the DevOps, and I have good to know that Kubernetes is open source project, so I wanted to contribute it, so I joined the meeting for the first time.
Awesome. I'm really excited to have you here. Yashwanath, would you like to introduce yourself?
It's Yashwant.
Sorry.
Yep, it's okay. So, yeah, I'm Yashwant. So I'm working at a small company called Asper. It's part of Fractal Bangalore. So, yeah, I saw the Kubernetes project. I've been using the project, and I thought like I should contribute a little bit. And then I went to the contrib doc and I joined the Slack channel, and I heard about the awesome meetings. And yeah, this is my first meeting joining it. Yep. Hope to contribute sometime in future. Yep. Thank you guys.
Awesome. Mm. Did we have some new joinees, or are we done with introductions? Augusta, did you just join? Could you introduce yourself? Yeah, I'm not sure if that's it says fireflies.ai. Anyways, if anyone joins and you have not introduced yourself, please feel free to stop me and introduce yourself. I would highly encourage you to do that. But yeah, so the format of this call now basically is that Ankur and Yashwant, since you both are like new to the project, I would just like to know like what areas you are interested in, and if you have been facing any problems contributing or things you have questions you want to ask, and then we can just help you and try to figure out how to get you to be able to contribute better.
Actually, I am interested in the doc section, the documentation part of the Kubernetes.
Okay, that's awesome, because this is a SIG Docs meeting. So I assume you're already on the SIG Docs channel. Like, have you tried like going to the Kubernetes website? Do you know where the documentation currently lives?
I check out the GitHub repository of the website.
Okay, awesome. So that's the thing. Like, if you check out the website, it's at Kubernetes/website on GitHub. That's where the docs live for the project, and you can go to the issues section, and I can show that to you right now if you give me a second. So if you go to the project website, which is GitHub Kubernetes website, you can go to the issues, and here you'll find a list of issues which have been opened by people, and you can just pick any of them you want to work on and which haven't been assigned. Like here you can see the issues which have been assigned. Issues which do not have a photo here have not been assigned. So just pick a issue here and try to work on it. Now, you might feel like that issue, you don't have enough knowledge about that issue. Like, for example, if I was to take this issue that advice on set up and install kubectl on Windows, maybe you have not done that yourself, but I think you should not let that stop you. Like, ask and try to get context about that issue, and people will help you understand that issue, and they will help you how you can, try to fix that issue. So don't feel that you need to have, like, it is appreciated if you have knowledge about that issue, but even if you don't have, if you have a willingness to learn, and you can just go to the right Slack channel for this. I think it might be SIG Windows, and ask there, hey, I want to help. They can help you fix this issue, and that's how you can get your first pull request inside. Does that make sense?
Yes, I understand.
Cool. And let me know if you have any problems or if you get stuck. Yashwant, what about you? Have you been facing any problems getting started, or do you have any questions?
Yeah, a few of those. I've just started. I haven't picked any issue. But what does this tag needs triage mean? Can I pick
Needs,
this up
yeah,
or?
needs triage means like it has not been like given the right tag. So if you see this issue, right, it has been tagged SIG docs. That means it's a issue relevant to SIG docs. Needs triage simply means that nobody has taken a look at this issue in detail and given it the right tags, like which SIG does it belong to? Is it a feature or is it a bug or something like that? So that's what need triage means. You can
All right.
definitely pick this up, and then you can help this get triaged as well. Like, if you were to talk to whoever has created this issue or any maintainers, like Tim, he'll tell you that this is issued by this particular SIG, maybe SIG Windows. So you go to the SIG Windows Slack and you ask them, is this issue part of you? And then you can help them triage and work on it.
Okay, got it. So, but I can ask for assigning also, right? So, how
Yeah,
does
yeah.
this assigning work? Like, do I ask someone to assign
Yeah,
this issue?
you just comment on this issue that, hey, I want to like work on this, and then if you see someone will assign this to you, like you can assign it to yourself only. I think if I'm not sure, I think you need to be a member of the Kubernetes org to assign it to yourself, but if not, then someone can run this command called /assign in your name, and they'll assign it to you.
Okay, okay. And is there any process? Because what I'm seeing is like I want to pick up good first issues, right? Like since I haven't
Yeah,
contributed earlier, but most of those there are very few,
would
and
already be assigned. Yeah, that's
yes,
a
and
pretty common problem because like the project is large and it attracts a lot of contributors. So my solution to that is, one, just check the already assigned good first issues as well, because some of them have been assigned for like 6 months or even longer and there has been no work on it. So probably the person who assigned themselves to it, they got busy and were not able to work on it. So just ping on that issue that, hey, are you still working on this? If not, I would like to take this up. And then
okay.
you can wait for a couple of time. If they don't reply, then you can ping the maintainers that, hey, they have not replied, and just assign it to yourself and get it fixed. So that's one way. The other way, like I already said, was just try solving these non-good first issues. Like they'll be a little harder, of course, but it's not going to be that you have to like fix them on your own, right? You will have the help of the community. You have discussion about it on Slack about the issue, talk to the maintainers, they'll help you fix it. So it's never, don't let this fact that, hey, I don't know about this completely, so I should not pick this up, I should look for a good first issue. Don't keep that mentality. Just be open to picking up things.
Okay, got it. Yep. Thanks.
Awesome. No worries. Does anyone else on the call have any questions? Awesome. Yeah.
So for SIG docs members, like people that are already members, right? Because I've been a member for some time, and yeah, I've reviewed the number of issues, I've worked on some tickets. Like, how do you move to the next level, which is like reviewer?
I think like you would have to be consistent on the SIG docs channel, and then I would recommend you ping one of the current like maintainers of SIG docs. That would be Divya, Natalie. Ping them and say that, hey, I've been working on these different issues. Maybe link a couple of issues you have been worked on, and show them that you're consistent, and they'll let you know the next steps. The next steps are usually like creating a pull request on there's a different repo for that, and you need people to sponsor you. But before that, I would suggest you just talk to them once and see what they have to say. Does that answer your question?
Yes, thank you.
Awesome. Any further questions by anyone? All right. If not, we can end this call early and give everyone 7 minutes of their time back. Thank you for attending. I hope you found this useful. We do this on a monthly basis. So I hope to see more of you in the next one. But if you're facing any problems before that call, please feel free to ping me on Slack. I'm happy to help. And have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.